Okay, so you want to keep changing these, and it's easy to just do it numerically here. So for my next round, I'll make this temp peaks 3, and then just be consistent as you go through. So I just ran this here. These are the results. And now down here, I'm going to number this results 1. We've got temp peaks 2 here. And then I'll be going through the results. So it found no peaks for the first template. And then I'm going to make sure I change temp peaks to temp peaks 2 here and check the second template. And I'm designating which template here with which one. So go ahead and check the third one. And it didn't find any matches with any of these templates. So now that I'm done with this, I want to make a table. So this is extracting the peaks from the detections from the peaks list, the detections list. And then you can use that in a CSV table with the function write table. So you'll choose your detection list here, and then give it a title that matches the file is how I've been doing it. So I was searching in core match here. I just searched this file from the 26th at 5:30 in the morning. So I'm going to make the name of my CSV output the 26th at 5:30 so I can match it with that recording. And this table should show that there aren't any matches. So, because that's what it found when it searched. And that's kind of just a general run through of how you can keep your code basically the same, but just keep track of the naming and just keep plugging in the next file in succession. So now I can do the 26th at 16:30. And then I'll want to change this to C-scores 4, temp peaks. We'll just make this 4 to make it match. And then I'll make this 1.4, 2.4, and 3.4. So just being consistent here, temp peaks 4, temp peaks 4, and temp peaks 4. And then when I run all of these things, it'll search this file, same templates I've been using, and then its list of scores from this will be this object. And then I'll find the peaks of those and make this list object. And then I can verify the results of that here. And there's that list object there. And then when we're ready to export a CSV, we'll extract the detections from that list object, and verified detect all will combine results from all 3 templates, but you can extract individual templates like this. And then we can write a table for all of them. And I'll just change this file name to match my survey file, which is the 26/16/30. So it's prone to user error for me because I might accidentally forget to type one number and then I'm cursing because there's error messages. But and also it's possible to right over your data if you keep naming something the same, or you'll just end up searching the same file again and again and not knowing it. So it's not perfect, but if you need to get through 50 files, it's not the worst way to do it. And batch core match will, or some custom version of that I'll figure out at some point, or somebody will make this much more fluid, because you'll be able to just have it search a directory of files instead of individual files. But for now, you can use this process and just be careful about checking all the names